Alright, so this is broken right there. Alright, let's go mulch. It's April now. Alright, now the other side.
Here we are.
One like that. Yep, that's all good. Yeah. Alright.
Hold on tight.
Oh,
This is problem.
too long. Put it back on. We're gonna measure how much we need to cut. Let's cut, I'm thinking 13 centimeters. Like that. Alright, so we need to do all the measurements, everything the same. So this is around 15 centimeters too long. So for example, now this metal part is exposed for 3 centimeters. So 5 of the metal and 8 of the plastic. And is it still too long a little bit? Alright, so let's measure how big is this. 110. Right, we have one here. And this will fit, I can see. That's how you do it. Take this apart. 5 kilograms of this. This side. Right there. Good. Alright, so for some reason it doesn't start. Try to do it in a different way. Oh. Do the lights work? Do they work?
Nope.
No, I don't think the battery is dead. I think. I see the problem, I think. Oh, yeah, I found the problem. So this is how you start it. There is this handle. You push it this way, close it down, and hold this one forward. Right now this has to go up a little bit, so I'll undo this, and there's holes for moving up or down. high quality oil. Oh yeah, it's moving. Moving? Yeah. Only one side. I suppose this metal piece is for cleaning the roller. Fine. Pull up. Good. I measured the gap between these and it's 2 centimeters, so make sure it's straight. So this is broken right there from vibration, I guess, so we're gonna weld this. Have to clean it up first. Let me see one of these. No. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these out and put new ones in, or bigger ones in. Alright, so here's a good look at my weld penetration. It's perfect. Putting the corners. Finished product.